name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this. This is exhaust system vanEE 100, and I will be replacing this motor today, and I'll show you how to replace this. And in order to order the part, the model and serial number is here, and that's the model number, and here's the serial number. You can find out the model and serial number from here. When you receive your part, you will receive a big box that looks similar to this. The part number is written here. When you pull out the motor, there's a couple of styrofoam pieces. You pull out the motor. It will also come with a couple instruction papers, the English and French. This is the English, the back is the French. And you will also receive the capacitor hardware kit blower for the blower. You use this on some blower assemblies, and on some blowers you do not use this. In order to replace the blower, we need a flat screwdriver, couple of strong magnets, rear earth magnets. This magnet is very helpful. And we also need a long drill bit. That's Robertson. It's a long one. And of course your drill. The first thing we're going to do is we will unplug the unit, and then we will open it from the bottom. Magnet here. The reason I added this magnet here because someone has to hold this top for me. Someone has to hold this cover, and by using the magnet, it's going to hold it on this beam. We'll disconnect this motor wire. It has a small tab. You press on it, pull it out. I usually use two hands, but it's awkward space here. Disconnect, and then there's one pink wire. You have to disconnect this. Do not pull it out from the wire. If you pull it out from the wire, you're gonna break it. So this one is disconnected. We're gonna open this screw. It's a Robertson screw. We're gonna take this screw out. This spring we are gonna disconnect. And here's the part where you need this the flat screwdriver. So you need to hold it from this area, one finger there, and then push it with this flat screwdriver. You see this? I had to push it right here to pull it out. This is disconnected. So that's the damper spring that got disconnected. I will pull out this filter. The filter usually doesn't stay there, so I think the customer made a mistake by putting it there. So this filter usually goes here, like that. Here, the filter goes there, not there. You see that long screw right there, the 4 screw. That's the time where you will be using your long extension. Okay, the screw is there. I can pull it out after I pull the blower out. We're gonna take this screw out. You do not have to take this screw out. You just open it a little bit and then this blower assembly slides out. But I pulled it out anyways, so otherwise you don't have to pull this out completely. Now put your hand at the bottom, hold it up and pull it out. So here's the old one, here's the new one. Double check it closely to see if there is anything that you need to remove this from this unit and then install it on that unit. If everything looks the same, you're good, you can install it. Okay, so you see this bracket, and that bracket, we are going to move it to the new one. Remember, this bracket with the screws are going on only on the plastic, so do not drill it too much, otherwise you're gonna strip it and cause issues. See this open area? This open area and that open area right there. Not bottom, not top, right here straight. Goes all the way to the back. You see this opening here? It gets inserted there. The same opening we got here on the left hand side goes in that opening. Goes like this. Remember that screw I was explaining? I was telling you about that screw. Pull it out a little bit, goes up, push it back in. It sits good now. I have to put a lot of force from the back right corner in order to line up this hole. It's not easy, but I'll try my best. Remember the pink wire. Now the time for this. Put it right here at the back. So you're kind of pushing it from here with your finger, with your thumb towards this way, and then it's gonna sit correctly. Seems okay. For the slot I was telling you, see that? The way it goes right there. You wanna insert it right here properly. And the same thing right here. Double check your screw at the back, the long one. Double check your screw up top here. Check your screw right here. Again, please do not use drill if you're new in this work. Just use a hand screwdriver. Double check that. Double check your wiring harness. You can just let it sit like that, no problem. It's okay. I would say this can also open. This flapper can also get open by this part. So make sure that this wire, if you can add a zip tie on it to hold it tight in place like that too, good. If not, I would say insert the wires. That way the wire is not going to stay in place on your way. Another tip, if the blower motor is not working, there's also a little small magnet right there inside. If that's missing, the motor will also not run. So let me open it. See, when I open the door for the safety, it shuts off. See that? See this? Here's the magnet. The magnet is right there. If that magnet is missing, I've seen it in some cases, the customer throws it out or by mistake something happens to it. I'll pull it out so you can see it. See this magnet? If this is missing, you're gonna have problems. So always check this before you replace your motor. Okay. You're good to go. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hamid Appliances Repair. Thank you.